Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another yarn recommendation for you. Red Heart. This is now part of Yarn Inspirations, but I got this at the dollar store. If you have a dollar store next to you, you definitely want to stop by and see if they have the yarn. This was incredible. I was actually looking for something for my son's project, and so I stopped by there and decided to see if they had the item. And I walked past the yarn section and they had this yarn. Now I got two different kinds. I got this green and a fall orange. What was really surprising for me was the price at which it was being sold. This is Red Heart Classic 1 value, which is incredible. 16 ounces, 867 yards. Isn't that incredible? Which is 792 meters. It is a four weight, which is really great for big projects. And I'm using this to make a long cardigan as well as hats. I did use it to make a sun hat. I know I have received requests to make this particular hat, and I will make it sometime. I just completed the breast cancer awareness poncho, so that's kind of what I've been working on the last 3 days to get that out there as I prepare for the breast cancer awareness month. So this I made using this yarn. This yarn is at the dollar store for $5. Okay, this is a lot of yardage. If you go to to Michael's or Hobby Lobby, a yarn this size would be going for $13 or $14. Okay, so stop by if you have one next to you and get one. I love using it. It's very easy to work with. It is soft. It is machine wash and dry. You can do that. Let's see, this one is green pea. That's the color. The other one, let's see what color this one is. I'm just opening this, but I'm working on fall projects right now. The color is papaya. Well, interesting. But this is papaya, same size as that one. They did have a dirty white as well, but I didn't have anything I could use for the white, so I didn't get that. So this is a really incredible yarn to use. Like I said, I'm using it to make these cloche or sun hats or bucket hats, whichever you want to call them. There's so many names for them, I'm not sure. But I found I love this one more. This is a 1 hour project, and so I will show you how to make this sometime soon. But this is a 1 hour project, and I made 6 of these, and I still have quite a bit of the yarn still left, which means you can make quite a few. So I made 6 hats. Yes, stop by the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and see if you can get one of these. I've been really happy making these because I'm going to be sending some for donations. I've made quite a few, actually. I have quite a few. Look at that. So I'm continuing to make some. All my leftover yarn is going into there. I'm going to have a winter donation for my local shelter. So this is all the leftover yarn, and they work up really fast. So in between larger projects, I've been making these. So I've made this many. I have some in my shop, but some of them are going to my local shelter. So this is what I've been doing. So get one of these yarns. The other one that I really found very exciting, I stopped by Michael's, and guess what they have? Karen smash cakes. Isn't that exciting? I loved this especially because I love working with colors, and the colorway here is impressive. The mix of really, really bright colors. I only got 2 of these because I'm going to make a sweater with this. It's really, really soft, even before I start working. It looks almost like it's a bulky 5, but it's actually a 4. This is a 4, I believe. Let's see. Yep, it's a 4 medium. And This is called Turquoise Punch. Impressive color name. And it is 432 yards. I believe they retail for $12.99, which is $13. Now, I got mine for only $4, the two of them, because I had rewards as well as a discount. They had a 40% off, and then I had a rewards card. So I ended up paying $4 for these two, and I'm going to be using them to make a sweater. I have a pattern that I want to try. So stop by. This is really a good price, even at $12.99. For 400 plus yards, that's a great price. So I thought this is very interesting. I only got this, but they have different colorways, okay, different colors that are really bright, and they have this swirl of black going through all of them. I looked at about 6 different ones, and this is the one that caught my eye, and I absolutely love this one. So stop by Michael's and stop by the dollar store and see what you pick up. I'm currently working on some of the Christmas stuff, and one other yarn I want to recommend is at Hobby Lobby. This is Crafters. Have you guys used this before? If you have, this is really great yarn. This is my Christmas red for this year that I'm going to be using. This one here is cranberry, actually. It's called cranberry. I like to call it blood red. It's like blood red, but it's called cranberry, and this is 810 yards, and it retails for $11.99 at Hobby Lobby. So for you who work on bigger projects, the advanced crochet, the intermediate crocheters, grab this. This is really a good price. Hobby Lobby has 30% off every Tuesdays, I believe, and Thursdays, and some Saturdays. I went by Saturday and it was 30% off. They used to have a 40% coupon, but they stopped doing that. And so every now and then they have a 30%. So I got this. Lots of yardage, great price. This is 4-ply, 810 yards, 100% acrylic. So, and it recommends you use a 5.5 millimeter hook if you're working on the project. The pricing is actually on it right there, $11.99. So $12, about $13 with taxes. Not a bad price for that much yardage. They have the smaller sizes, but I like the bigger, better pricing. This is machine wash and dry. Yep. So those are the 3 different yarns that I wanted to recommend, but what got me really excited was this here. This is a lot of yardage, $5. So stop by and grab some. I wanted to stop by today to see if they still have any left. I had 3 ladies there trying to get the same, so I just got the 2 that I wanted to really work with. So these are the yarns that I'm recommending that you get. If you're looking for color, definitely go for the Smash Cakes. Lots of yardage, great colors if you like working with colors. I do love working with colors, so this was definitely a great one for me to use. So as I mentioned, I am working on a lot of the sun hats or bucket hats right now. Some of them are going for donations. Some of them are going into my shop, especially the yarn from the Dollar Tree. You can make quite a few of these. This turns out really beautiful, and I will work on a tutorial for you on how to make this. This is a 1-hour project, literally 1 hour. You can make as many in a day as time permits. If you have an entire day of lounging, binge watching on Netflix, you can make quite a few of these. I made about 16 yesterday. So I have a lot of these that I'm also selling in my shop. If you haven't visited my shop yet, there is a link to my shop in the description box below. Let me know what you think about the yarns. If you've used any of them, what have you made? I work on lots of projects. Lately, I've been trying to finish up a lot of the ponchos that I had pending. I have 37 different projects in the making. So I'm working on all of those, including all of my Christmas stuff and fall stuff. My son currently wants me to make him one of his anime suits for Halloween, so I'm trying to find a pattern for that particular suit. I'm not sure anybody has it, but I'll take a look and see. I probably could freestyle it. But that's all I have for you today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Welcome. Hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on any of the new uploads that come through. For my subscribed fans, thank you so much for supporting me. Once again, take a look at the 3 different videos I uploaded on the breast cancer awareness and let me know what you think. For now, I'm going to say goodbye and I will see you in my next video.